unlimited English classes. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon. 1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use the phrasal verb take up. Take up can mean to fill or occupy time or space. The man was very overweight. He took up 2 seats on the airplane. Meetings take up half of my time. Take up can also mean to start a sport, activity, or hobby. I'm thinking about taking up tennis. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using take up and leave it in the comments below. Do you want to practice speaking English? Join the Acquire English Club. Learn from and chat with native English teachers. Practice your English with learners from all over the world. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon.